Welcome to my channel, friends. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm sharing with you one magical drink which can be consumed especially in this pandemic situation. This drink is however consumed during the winter season to keep the body warm, and it has lots of benefits. And I'm very much sure it is not new in India, as this is used as natural medicine in Indian families since time immemorial. However, it has got global recognition as turmeric latte or golden milk. Now let's see how to prepare this magical drink. Here I have taken about 250 gram of raw turmeric. This is free from any adulteration and it's completely organic. Now I will peel off the skin of turmeric using two methods. One is with the peeler and the other one is with the spoon. I have shared over here both the methods. And please don't forget to use the gloves while doing this process, or else the turmeric leaves stains. Now here I use the spoons wherein the wastage is less. So you can prefer any one method. I have roughly chopped this turmeric. And I'll add this turmeric into the mixer grinder and make paste out of this. Here I have used about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which will act as a preservative, and you can refrigerate this paste for about 1 to 2 months and use whenever required. Here goes the second spoon. And our turmeric paste is ready. Again I'll put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix it thoroughly and keep it into the airtight container in my fridge. Now here are some of the spices which I will use in about 1 cup of this turmeric milk. That is 1 cardamom pod, 5 black peppercorn, half inch of cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 1 small piece of nutmeg, and half teaspoon of ginger. I've grated the ginger. Put all the spices one by one into the mortar and pestle and make fine powder out of this. And our powder is ready. Now here I have heated little water and I am adding ginger into this, and let the ginger boil for about 1 or 2 seconds. Don't directly add the milk or else the milk might curdle. So let the ginger boil thoroughly. Then I am adding the powder of the spices which we made earlier. Give it a nice boil. And here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric paste which we made earlier. Here I am adding about 1 cup of milk. You can use the low fat milk or the full cream milk. The choice is completely yours. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly and let the milk boil. I kept the flame on low and let the milk boil for about 5 minutes. Now you can see the milk is still boiling. And here I am adding the tulsi leaf into this, and then give it a boil for about 1 second. And here comes the secret ingredient, that is Chyawanprash. And I'm sure all must be aware about the benefits of this superfood. So instead of using any artificial sweetener, add Chyawanprash and it will surely give you the essential nutrition along with boosting the immunity and other health benefits like cure against insomnia, sore throat, cough and cold, body aches and so on. A small disclaimer here: pregnant woman and nursing mother, please consult doctor before consuming this drink. People with excessive heat problem in the body may consume this drink once or twice a week. By excluding spices and only including black peppercorns with turmeric can be consumed daily, as pepper activates curcumin component in turmeric, which helps to absorb turmeric faster into the body. Kids also can consume this wonderful drink with little honey as a sweetener instead of artificial flavoring. If your kids are consuming this daily, avoid spices and include just turmeric, cardamom and little black pepper. Give your suggestions in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.